Originally, they had the front controller. They had the router set up as its own self-contained system. They had the response set up as its own self-contained system. All of these things have been redesigned slightly so that they are now resources within the application. Thus, anytime you're in any controller at all, you can ask the application, you can ask the controller, give me this particular resource, and it will hand it to you, and that is constant among all the different resources. The advantage you get there is, in the original process, you went into the front controller, it used the router to determine what the first set of instructions it needed to follow were, then it handed it off to the dispatch loop, and the dispatch was the traditional model view controller structure, where it sent it to a controller, the controller followed the instructions to get the work done by an action, which was a method within that controller. And it would move through that process, and you could stack as many requests to go through controllers as you wanted to. So you could wind up with a set of 6 instructions that you wanted, and it would loop through them one at a time. Well, now, as it loops through them, each controller has access to the resources that have been created by the application layer, and it makes it much easier.